our next doggy is going to be a kind of a pincher dog. I don't know exactly what his breed is, but we'll leave it at that. We're going to start off with his ears, and his ears are a little trickier than most. It's like, it looks like the easiest dog to make, but a little tricky because you don't want him to look like a bunny. So let's go ahead and attempt to do his ears. Now they kind of have a shape to them where they kind of have a moon shape, I guess, on each side. So that's what we're going to attempt to do. Can you kind of get an idea? You can, if you don't get it exactly when you go ahead and decorate it, you can just make it exaggerated when you come in. I'm going to show you that. So let's see if we can make another one that will match. Main thing on these, you don't want them going straight up because it will look like a bunny. So after that, we're just going to go ahead and frost him. We have the light tan. Now for his face, since he has a big nose, you can have a marshmallow under there or just use buttercream, which I'm going to do right now. And it's kind of like when you do eyes where you don't want to pull up, you want to kind of keep it down and push and gradually move your bag up. And the best way to know how to do that is to show you. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Kind of squeeze and just gradually move up. By you doing that, you leave it more of a circle rather than a nice point. Now you could make him a really pointy schnauzer, which some dogs are, but for our purposes today, we're just going to have them like that. Add our little ears. He has nice big ears. Push them right in there because you don't want them to fall. Taking our dark brown. I have a tip 3. You can use bigger, straight tip, or whatever you like. Now I'm using buttercream for his eyes and his nose, and by all means you can use jelly beans and all the other things that we talked about at the beginning. But just to show you the differences, I'm going to make it simple. We have black and white, so we're going to just use that. And there we have our little pincher.